Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, yes, we're gonna do another speaker. And if you've seen the thumbnail, yes, it's a very small speaker. Okay, so the name of the speaker is InPods littleFUN, like it says here on the packaging. Okay. This product was suggested by Herbs Hernandez. So, Herbs Hernandez, thank you very much. We will review this today so that we could share this to the viewers of UpStreamCharlie, the subscribers of UpStreamCharlie. And what are we waiting for? Let's do some unboxing and testing. As in right now. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Power on. Connected.
Now that we've done the unboxing and we've done the testing, it's time to do some conclusion or a verdict. Okay, so what's my verdict about this littleFUN? I could say that considering that it has a small speaker, this is not a 5-watt speaker. I'm contemplating it's just a 3-watt speaker because it's kind of hard to find the tech specs of the products inside the shop, inside the product description. So I'm just guessing it's a 3-watt speaker, and it sounds well. It sounds very good considering that it's a 3-watt speaker. Plus the fact that it could do TWS. So buy another one of these, pair it, and then you're good to go, right? So I have no problems with this charging, listening. The bass is acceptable considering it's small and it's not tunog lata. Okay, it doesn't sound as if you're listening to inside of a tin can. So hindi siya tunog lata. So in other words, maganda siya for a small form factor of a speaker. It's less than 2 inches in diameter and in height. So it's very good if you have very small spaces, and just buy 2 of these, and it's just gonna, you're just gonna invest 500 pesos for 2 with TWS function, and it sounds nice actually. So basically that ends our show for today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much Herbs Hernandez for this, and see you on the next video. See you on the next product review. Bye bye. Look at these cuties. Look at these cuties. Small, smaller. Will there be a small S? I don't know. Hi, my name is InPods littleFUN. I am C7. C7, this is InPods littleFUN. Hello, hi, what are you? Are you gonna do some versus video, Charlie? Maybe. I don't know.